Hello everyone, I'm S.Prabakaran, pursuing B Computer Science Engineering, third year in Secure College of Engineering Technology. In this contest, given four problem statement. I will select autonomous infrastructure problem statement. Okay, let us talk about my problem statement and my objectives. My objective is the first one is one of the retail customers looking to automate the various phase of the infrastructure lifecycle. That is the design, build, and optimize and operate. The overall objective is the autonomous infrastructure so to improve agility of the business requirement and reduce manual intervention while managing the overall life cycle of applications. The next one is create the WordPress application stack, the two servers, one ELB elastic load balance, one Apache PHP, one MySQL. The next one requirement is system to latest kernel and security updates. The another one is to create the one test block site. Okay. Another one is create self-healing automation which will monitor the Apache PHP and MySQL process. In case it running is and hang, it will stop or start the demo node process. Okay. The final one is the add Apache PHP servers in case of the increase in CPU utilization above 70 to 80%. Okay. I'll go to next slide. Before I will discuss some topics. Okay. First one is what is autonomous infrastructure. Autonomous infrastructure is nothing but it is infrastructure is entirely managed, self-managed, self-healing, self-provides. Okay. And another one is what is cloud. The cloud is nothing but cloud computing is delivering a different service through the internet. Today all data are available in cloud. You access anywhere and anytime. Okay, by using internet. This resource includes tools, applications like data storage, service, database, networking, and software. For example, you take a WhatsApp message, you log in your computer. Anytime you retrieve your data, that means your data is stored in cloud. Anytime you retrieve and resending your friends or etc. Then goes to next slide. What is load balancing? The load balancing is the methodological and efficient distribution of network of application traffic across the multiple servers in the server form. Okay, each load balancer site between the client device and backend servers. The receiving the then distributions incoming requests to available server capable of fulfilling them. Okay, for example, your university result was published. Okay, you access your results in our web portal. Okay, in this time, this particular time in at 9 o'clock. Okay, you will consider 9 o'clock. Everybody access the web portal at the time. Okay, the requests are given to same server. That in the site, lot of requests are pending. Okay, in the situation for load balancing concept applied, that will change another server. Okay, in case of due to high traffic across in server. Okay, next another one is what is auto scaling. Auto scaling is nothing but it is just you create auto scaling automatically. You assign a minimum and a maximum node and a CPU utilization. Then you will automatically your server or website automatically instances are created and terminated based on our CPU utilization. Okay, it will give certain conditions. So minimum node is 1 and maximum node is 3. Okay, in this situation the CPU utilization is the above 70%, automatically instance of created. The another one condition is the CPU utilization is lesser than 70%. Okay, it will automatically terminate the new instances. Okay, back to current instance. Okay, so define of auto scaling. Okay, the AWS auto scaling lets you build scaling plans that automate how groups of different resource respond. Okay, respond to changes in demand. Okay, you can optimize availability, cost is to balance both. AWS auto scaling automatically creates all of the scaling policies and set targets for your based on your performance. Okay, the next topic is Port 53. It is used for hosting or domain. and create a test block site. My domain purchase in GoDaddy.com website. Okay, different vendors are available in cloud market, but in the problem statement use a public cloud AWS Azure. I will choose the AWS vendor. Okay, in flowchart I will explain step-by-step process that I will show you sample screenshot for each function output. Okay, in video I will explain clearly step by step. Put in a slide. See my flowchart. First I will create VPC, virtual private cloud. Here it is create a 6 subnet. Okay, next one is create application load balance. Okay, this will already I told what is load balancing. Then after create application load balance, they create a target groups. Okay, the another one is after creating application load balance and target groups, then create a launch configuration. That means as instance template. Okay, in apply the auto scaling. After that, creating the launch configuration, you can create auto scaling group. Then another one is go to purchasing domain. You have domain, you will use. Okay, I will purchase a domain in GoDaddy.com website. Okay, then go to Route 53 hosted zone. In that area, your purchasing domains are hosted in that zone. Okay, after that you create hosted zone and then create record. In this area, create one test block site. Okay, I hope you will understand. Okay, then create view the test block and visit WordPress website. Okay, I show you some screenshot for virtual private cloud configuration. It's my virtual private cloud configuration. Here it is. VPC is 1. I will work in North Virginia region. Okay, the subnets are still about 6 and the route tables 1 and the internet gateway is 1. Okay, the network ALCL is 1 and the security group 1. Okay, let's go to slide. The application load balancer. This is my application load balancer output. Here it is. I configure application load balance. In the video I will explain step by step. Okay, it's my target group. The target groups are set in the application load balancer. Okay, you will configure in a load balancer or automatically it's create target groups. Okay, it's my create launch configuration. It is a template for auto scaling. Okay. Another one is create auto scaling group. Okay, it's my auto scaling group. Finally I finished. It's my output of auto scaling group. So another one is after successfully create auto scaling, instances are automatically created and terminated. They're based on your requirement. Example, CPU utilization 70% or above 70%, automatically instance are created, or less than 70%, automatically instance are terminated. So main concept is available. It's my instance. After I successfully create auto scaling, automatically create an instance. Okay, it's installation. Okay, another slide. The domain purchasing. Then I will purchase domain. I will purchase domain and hosting in a GoDaddy.com website. My domain name is www.innovativecodes.in. Okay, successfully purchasing domain in GoDaddy.com, then install WordPress application in cPanel. After that, hosting my domain in Route 53 hosted zone. Okay, it's my GoDaddy website. I will purchase in my domain in a GoDaddy website. It's my product and domains. This another one is my WordPress domain applications. Okay, it's my WordPress application. Let's go to another slide. It's Route 53 dashboard. It's my Route 3 dashboard. Here it is create a process zone. I hope you will see the DNS management. Here it is go to configure the create process zone. Okay, then go to another slide. Create process zone. DNS names are available in second row, fifth column. I show you. I hope you will see that. Okay, it's a phone name, so copy to add in your GoDaddy website. Go to DNS to add your naming server. Okay, after change it will be work. Okay, the create one name servers in GoDaddy website. Those 4 DNS name available in hosted zone. Okay, here it is. I pasted 4 URL. Okay, I hope you will see that. Then finally I click on save. Okay, automatically create. Next I create one test block site in click on create record. It's my record file. It's my record. I hope you will see that hsblog.innovativecoachacademy.in. Okay. It is I perform 2 pages. One my web application, another one is my test block site. Okay. Successfully load my web application. It's my web application. After change my DNS name, automatically load. Okay. Another one is my test block site. It's my test block site. Successfully create the test block under my subdomain. Okay. I hope you all see that what is means subdomain. So subdomain is nothing but it's created under what domain. Okay. Then go to the next slide. My conclusion is the above problem statement solutions are explained in my YouTube video step by step in detail. Okay. My YouTube video is unlisted, link is given below. Finally, run my web application and create one test block site using Amazon Web Service AWS functions. Next, I will show you how to configure my web application and test block site in AWS Amazon Web Service. Okay, open your browser. In URL, type AWS console. Search that. Already I have a AWS account. Click on first link. The Amazon Web Service official page is open. Next, click on sign in to the console. I will sign in my Amazon Web Service account. Click on root user. It is give your ID. Click on next. Then enter the password. Click on sign in. Next, MFA code will be generated in your Google Authenticator in your mobile app. The multi-factor authentication. It is one of the security group. You want to enable this security, you go to security credential, enable the MFA code authentication. Then enter my MFA code and click on submit. Opening my account. First, I will create first VPC. I will use a default VPC. That means a virtual private cloud. Open my virtual private cloud. Here it is available. VPC regions of 1 North Virginia. This is subnets, 1 route tables, 1 internet gateway, TCP option sets, the security group swans, network ACLs. Okay. Next, I will configure load balance. Go back to dashboard, easy to dashboard. It's my EC2 dashboard. Here it is. I configure my load balance. Scroll down. It is available load balancing constructor. You click on load balancer. The create load balance. Click on create load balance. It is available 3 load balancing constructor: the application load balance, network load balance, the gateway load balance. Final one is the classic load balance. Okay. I will create my load balance under the application load balance, HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. Then click on create. I hope you will understand. Here is I will give my load balance name. My application. My application load balances. Okay. Then I select availability zones. Here it is show 6 availability zone. I will select 6 availability zone. Then let's configure the security settings. You click on next security groups. Here it is in this area create new security group. It is give my name, my ALP security group. Okay, it is a select a sketch and add one more two rules, http, and add another rule, MySQL Aurora. Then I select the source is access anywhere, click on anywhere. Okay, just I will copy that to my name, given description. Okay, next configure routing. Here is your target group name. Okay, my target group name is my target ALB. Let's scroll down. Let's click on next register targets. Target registers will be registered. It is no available any instances. Okay, then click on next review. Then click on create. Successfully create application load balancers. Then click on close. It's your load balancing. It's your application load balancer. It will pack in active. Successfully create your application load balancers in this state to come back to active. It is a provisioning. Okay, I refresh the site. The state will be come back to active. After that you work. My target groups are automatically created. Okay, I hope you will see that. My target ALB. Next, configure auto scaling. First you will create auto scaling group. First you will create one template in a launch configuration. Click on launch configuration. Then click on create launch configuration. Give a template name. My ALB. My ALB template. Okay. Next, select your Amazon machine image. Scroll down, then select the Amazon machine image, the AMI. It is search that AMI ID. I will create a WordPress instance. To copy that, paste my AMI ID. If you want to search a Bitnami WordPress, okay, select that. Then I will choose my instance type. One tab is open. I will search T2. We'll select 1 GB RAM. Free tab. Just click on select your instance. Select your instance type. Then click on choose. Let's scroll down. Create new security group. Here it is, give my security name. My security group name is my auto scaling is this template. Copy that, paste in the description. Then I add one more rules. HTTP. Okay, source type is anywhere. Then create one new keypad. The keypad name is my ALB. My ALB security key. Okay. Then click on download keypad. I hope you will see that automatically download. Let's create launch configuration. Let's create launch configuration. Successfully create one template for auto scaling. Before I will create auto scaling group, I show you load balancer. I hope you will see that my load balances come to active state. Go to create auto scaling group. Click on auto scaling group. Page is open. The create auto scaling group. Click on the create auto scaling group. Here it is, give your auto scaling group name. Okay. My auto scaling. Then launch your template. The switch to launch configuration. Please select your template. My LB template. Then click on next. Next, configure settings. Select your VPC. I will select the default VPC. And add your subnets. It is gives 6 subnets. I will add it, all of them. Okay. Then I will select a subnet. Click on next. Load balancing options. I will select attach to existing load balance. So click on existing load balance. Okay. The attach an existing load balance. Choose from load balancing target groups. So select your target groups. I will select my target ELB. Then select. Then I will select ELB elastic load balance. Okay. Then click on next. It is configure or minimum and maximum node. My minimum node is 1. My maximum node is acting 3 in problem statement. Then select the target tracking scaling policies. Okay. It is give my target value is 70%. In my problem statement asking the 70% CPU utilization. Okay. Just scroll down. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on create auto scaling group. Wait until the updating capacity status. Okay. Refresh that. Okay. Successfully created. Okay. I will purchase my domain in GoDaddy.com website. I show you. Open new tab and type GoDaddy. It is give some results. Click on first line. Then sign in my account. Click on sign in. It's my GoDaddy account. It's my domain innovativecoachacademy.in. It's my domain. It's my web hosting innovativecoachacademy.in. Okay. To copy the domain name. Then create host zone. In search box type route 53. Okay, it is a route 50 service. Click on route 53. Is my route 53 dashboard. I hope you will see that. Click on create host zone. It is give a domain name. Click on public host zone. Type is public host zone. Click on create host zone. Before create record, I show you my instance are created. To instance was type EC2. I hope you will see that instances are running. I show you my instance, successfully created instance, the status of checks. Okay, then go back to Road 53. The successfully created road zone and NOD codes academy.in was successfully created. Okay, I hope you will see that name servers. Those phone names are copy and paste in the your domain DNS. Open your domain, click on DNS, domain name server. Opening the domain name server. It is your naming server. Click on change. Another page is open. Scroll down. Enter my own name server advanced. Here it is paste your domain name. Okay, it is paste your name servers. First I will copy that name. Then second name server. Add a two name server. Add and more two server. Add two more name server. Copy that third name server. Copy that fourth name server. After added your name server, click on save. Asking on permission. Yes, I consent. Then click on appointment. Then select and click on continue. Successfully created your name server. Okay, go to my product. Then click on DNS. I hope you will see that four name server are available. Then go back to Route 53. It is give on test block. Then click on create record. It is give your test block site name. Give a test blog dot academy.in. Okay, then click on allies. You select allies to application and classic load balancer. Okay, now to select choose region. I worked in North Virginia region. Select that region, then select your load balancer. My application load balancer select. Okay, after select select three function, then create records. Click on create records. Okay, I show you my web application. Already code started. Successfully open my web application. I load my website, automatically load. Okay, then I will show you my test block site. So copy the test block site URL. Copy that. Open the new tab. Paste the URL in search box. Wait several minutes. Successfully I was created my test block. I hope you will see that my test block. Okay, it's my test block site. Successfully I was hosted my domain in Route 53. I hope you will see that universitycoachacademy.in. Okay. My problem set solution is create one WordPress application on one test blog site. I show you it's my WordPress application. It is give your details. I will assist through the MySQL. It's my test blog site. I hope you will see that. Thank you.